I'm going to share with you a simple observation that we all can use to make a quick buck in the short term. Again, as usual, this is not a recommendation, but just an observation. So please make sure you do your own research. Nifty changes its indexes every 6 months. This is a public information and the mechanism is based on free float market cap. This is something that we all know. Few stocks go out and few stocks replace them. But did you know that mutual funds, especially passive mutual funds and exchange traded funds, have to also replicate these indexes in their portfolio? Otherwise, how will they mirror the index, right? This is going to create some liquidity in the stocks, both positive and negative. Let me give you a recent example. We all know that on 31st January, NSE said, I'm going to replace UPL with Shriram Finance. In our estimates, this is going to create 2,000 crores of additional buying for Shriram Finance and 800 crores worth of selling on UPL. This is going to create pressure on UPL and also going to create liquidity and higher price for Shriram Finance. And as you can see in the chart, the stock has rallied while UPL has come down. This is a very simple observation, and this information is available in plenty well ahead of time. And if you want to be a little more smarter, pre-run these information by running a certain calculator basis the free float mechanism, and I'm sure you can crack the stock that is going to go up and also figure out which is going to replace them and use it for your trading. In our opinion, Bharti Airtel, M&M and Axis Bank are also going to see great liquidity because of this reshuffle. What are you waiting for? Use this information, do your thorough research and invest accordingly. Thank you for watching. Happy investing.